I am confused with Mark. Because a month earlier, before the announcement of my candidacy, he gave me a plaque of recognition, an award for the city of Davao, the best department, police department, the best ARPO. And si Marahang, he's relatively new. I've been mayor of Davao City for 22 years. I have consistently won the most peaceful city, the best police department, the most, well, of course, I'm the chairman of the ARPO. Mar is a latecomer and he wants desperately to be president. If I could just give it to him on a silver platter, I would. But one of the reasons why I really decided to run was, he was there from one position, PTI, then to before ilang panahon ni Estrada, nandyan siya. It made no difference to our country. Panahon ni Arroyo, even it done. And during the Aquino, he was irrelevant.